The byte data type is an example of primitive data type. It is an 8-bit signed 2's complement integer. 1 bit is used to store negative or positive sign, and rest 7 bits are used to store values. So its value range lies between minus 2 to the power 7 to plus 2 to the power 7 minus 1, or we can say minus 128 to plus 127. Means minimum value that can be stored in a byte data type is minus 128 and maximum value is 127. Its default value is 0 when not initialized, and the variable type is instance or static. The byte data type is used to save memory in large arrays where the memory saving is most required. It saves space because a byte is 4 times smaller than an integer. It can also be used in place of int data type where the value is in the specified range, that is minus 128 to plus 127. Now let's try to understand this with demo. I have created a class bytedemo and declared a static variable x and an instance variable y. Within main method, we will print the value of the static variable x and the instance variable y. So I have not initialized them because we want to check the default value. Now let's compile it, close it, and run our main method. So value of x is 0 and y is 0. Let's clear everything, close it, and run again. Okay, value of x is 0 and value of y is 0. Now we will initialize with some value. So byte x equal, let it be 152. Okay, now compile it. So it is giving an error, incompatible types, because the maximum value we can store within a byte variable is 127. So let it be 127. Now compile it. Fine, no error. When we are going beyond that, means more than 127, it is giving us compiler error. Okay, let it be minus 300. Then compile it. It is giving error because the minimum value we can store within a byte variable is minus 128. So minus 128. Now compile it. Okay, nice, no problem. Without an error, we are able to compile it. Now run the main method. Okay, so we got value x is minus 128 and value of y is 0. Suppose we will try to store, let it be like this. We will comment it. Okay, so let byte x equal small a with in single quotes. Means actually it is a character type, but we assign to a byte type. So what it will store and what it will print, we will check. Compile it, no error. Then run the main method. So the value of x is 97 and value of y is 0. Okay, so let's remark it, the value of y, because after this we require only the value of x. Okay, compile it, close it, and run main method. Okay, so the value of x is 97. So it is storing the equivalent value of this character type. Okay, when we are converting this character type to integer, we are getting 97. Let it be capital A. So make it remark, then capital A. Now guess what it will store? It will store plus 65. Okay, like that we can assign any binary value also. So 0, B, 0, 1, 1. Compile it, no error. close it and run main method. Okay, the value is 3. Clear? So if conversion is possible, then it will convert the value entered to byte and store in X. Let it be a Unicode character. So /U0010. Okay, then compile it, close it and run it. See, the value of X is 16. So you got a clear idea about byte variable type.